Are you stressed trying to be consistent on YouTube? Well, watch this video for my step-by-step batch recording process that will take the stress away. For the best blogging advice, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every single Monday. If you're struggling to produce consistent content on YouTube, by the end of this video you'll have an easy method that you can use to produce regular content in less time and with fewer headaches. I've used this process in my business and with countless clients, and now it's your turn too. So why is batching such a good idea? Well, by shooting a few videos all at one time, you're going to save the time it takes you to set up your equipment. You're also going to be in the flow of the videos a bit more, and it will feel a little easier to produce. You also can plan better for any freebies that you have or promotions that you've got coming up. If you've got kids like me, you only have to farm them off to family or a sitter once for one block. And also, if you're a lady out there, you only got one face of makeup, which makes it so much easier. So let's get stuck into the process. The first step is to plan your videos. I use morningfame.com, and I'll put the link to that below, and it helps me do my keyword research. So I'll do that for every single video that I make before I make the video. What morningfame.com does is it analyzes your past videos and helps you identify what would work, what could be a good topic for your channel, and then you can tweak the title to see if that changes the potential success of the video. I then fill out an SEO plan for the video and write a script out to ensure that I stay on track. If I plan to film 5 videos, then I'll do 5 SEO plans and 5 scripts. So I'll do one for each, and they'll all be filed away. So step 2 is setting up my files to make sure everything stays organized. When you're batch recording a lot of videos, it can get a little bit hairy, and you want to make sure you know where everything is at all times. So you can see in my video file that I have this new video file. So inside this there are subfolders, an SEO template, a script template. So duplicating this whole file means that this is already set up for each new video. All I do is just go in and change the file name to the name of each new video that I create. So step 3, I'll go and grab a few different tops, and I'll keep them with me when I'm recording. So what it enables me to do is have a little bit more variety. So I'm not going to change top every video. I might do a couple of videos and then change a top and then do a couple more videos, and it just gives me a bit more variety, so it doesn't always look like I just wear the same thing every time. And what you can do then in the edit is you can mix them up. So for example, if I'm wearing the black top and then I might go to the pink one or the stripy one, I'll know that I'll do a black, a pink, a stripy, a black, pink, stripy, whatever. I'll mix it up in the edit so that it doesn't always look like I'm just wearing the same top. So step 4 is setting up your set. So whether you have a pro setup or a window and a chair facing it, it's all good. So make sure you've got your script ready and you've got a drink to hand. So step 5, now you're good to go and hit record. I like to record all of my videos in short bursts. 1, it helps me remember what I'm going to say better, but 2, it gives me lots more space to edit, and it makes the editing much easier. So for example, if I want to cut to B-roll, or I want to zoom in on a bit to emphasize what I'm saying, if I've paused and I know that at the end of each clip I'm going to pause and at the beginning I'm going to pause, I just have more white space to edit easier, and I'm not running the risk of clipping off a word. Then what I do is save each section as number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, so that when I drag them into the file, I know exactly what order they're going to go into, and it makes the editing super easy. So I'd love to know in the comments if you've tried batch recording for your videos. Just leave me a comment and let me know. So now you've got lots of videos in lots of different folders. So step 6 would be to edit them all at the same time. You get into the zone of editing and it makes your videos a lot more cohesive if you're doing it all at the same time. You're going to add the same sort of things rather than having a different idea, and it's just going to mean that this block of videos is all going to feel the same. So step 7, when your videos have all been edited and they're all sitting in their different folders, then you're going to do some more batching. So there are a few things that you need to do to get that video out into the world, and you might as well batch those too because it will make you more efficient. So this is You're going to do the thumbnails all in one go and upload those. You're going to upload your videos in one go. You're going to do your social media images and all of that scheduling for that, all in batches as well. Now you're going to have to do some testing in order to find out what your sweet spot number is in terms of the number of videos that you can batch all in one go. So you might find by the 5th video you're lagging a bit in energy and maybe 4 is your sweet spot. You might be a terminator and know that you can do 10 videos all in one go and you're still as energetic in the last as you were in the first, and that's only going to be found out through testing. So test that out and figure out what is your sweet spot for the number of videos that you can produce. So I hope that's helped. And if you want to join a group of women just like you, I have a secret society where I share up-to-date blogging and biz tips that will help you turn your blog into a business. So if you like this video, please let me know by liking it below, subscribe and share it with your friends, and comment helpful if you found this video helpful. I'll see you soon.